Hi everyone, my name is Kai. I'm the pre-sales consultant. The reason I'm recording this video is to allow you to understand all about DLP. Today I'm going to focus on the Trend Micro DLP product. So what is Trend Micro DLP all about? DLP stands for data loss prevention, and in Trend Micro is a family of solutions designed to minimize the risk of information loss and to allow your organization to have visibility of your data usage patterns so that you can protect your private and confidential data from leaking out from the organization. Today, I'm going to focus on the Trend Micro DLP endpoint. The DLP endpoint is integrated DLP, which means this is stick together with the Trend Micro endpoint protection agent. So you can just turn on the feature from the Apex One or Office Scan as a console. So it's a single lightweight agent, and it supports the compliance with the industry regulations, allows users on the corporate data usage policies, and allows to protect the unstructured data and intellectual property. So how to define the DLP is straightforward in Trend Micro's point of view. First, you need to identify what kind of data that you want to protect. So you need to define the data identifier. With the data identifier, then you just create the templates. With the templates, you can just create the policies and assign to the agents that you want to protect the data from leaking out from the organization. After you turn on the DLP feature on the endpoint, you see this screen which allows you to restart the agents in order to have the DLP to be functional. I'm using this Apex One as a service for this demo, which you can see here. So I need to log on to the console. So this console allows you to turn on the DLP feature from the Apex One as a service console. This Apex One as a service console is also where you can configure the endpoint protection or malware detection and the ransomware detection. So after you log into the console, go on to the policy management. In this example, you can see I already have this Apex One agent policy configured. And if you log into this, you will see that there are certain settings you can configure. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see these additional service settings. Then you can scroll down. You will see there's an item called data protection services. So here you can see this data protection service is allowed still to enable this data loss prevention functionality in the Apex One agent. And it supports the desktop OS as well as the server operating system. So in my demo environment, I'm actually running on the server operating system. So after you enable this, you just deploy that policy into the agent you want to protect. And next, I will come into this agent console so that you can see that what you will expect after you enable that. If you have the agent with the Apex One as a service installed, you will see this agent is already here. So what you need to do is to check here. Just open the console. And there's icon on the right bottom there. If I scroll up, you can just see that the data loss prevention is already in green light, which means it's already been turned on and enabled. So within this Apex One agent, you can just turn on this DLP and this DLP will be able to function. It's that straightforward to install or configure the DLP in this Apex One endpoint protection. So in the next video, I will show you how this console to configure the DLP looks like, and stay tuned. Thank you.